Sometimes your app needs to guide users beyond the current page. With OpenURL, you can direct users to external websites, documentation, dashboards, or other resources with a single click. I'm Kayla with Jotform, and in this video, I'll show you how to use the OpenURL in Jotform Apps to connect your app with external pages and resources. Let's get started. To get started, open the Jotform App Builder. Click on the plus sign in the top left corner to see the App Elements panel. From the Basic tab in the left panel, drag and drop a button element into your app. Click on the button inside your app. Then, select the gear icon to open the Button Properties panel on the right side. In the Properties panel, click on the Actions tab. This is where you define what happens when the button is clicked. Under Button Action, you can choose how the button behaves. Select Open Page if you want to navigate users to another page inside the application. Use Open Form if the button should display a form for users to fill in. Choose OpenURL if you want to redirect users to an external website or resource. This is useful for linking to documentation, dashboards, or other online tools. You can also select other actions such as send email to trigger an email action directly from the button, make call to start a phone call on supported devices, or open share modal to allow users to quickly share content from the application. For this example, we will select OpenURL, then type in the URL in the link field. Once you've chosen the action, toggle Preview to see how it works from a user's perspective. Now, when users click the button, they'll be instantly directed to the external link or destination you selected. And that's how you use the OpenURL in Jotform Apps. Connect your app to external resources and guide users to the right destination with a single click. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.